Hey you guys, so today we're going to do a blueberry muffin recipe. You'll need a mixing bowl, whisk, baking pan, sugar, vegetable oil, milk, blueberries, an egg, vanilla extract, and then we mix it all together. So here is where you put the flick of the wrist, you put that elbow into it, you do a little shimmy shimmy, gimme, and make sure everything is mixed up well. Now we're going to add some flour, some baking powder, and we're going to mix those into the mixture that we have. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. The recipe calls for 1 teaspoon, but I would rather just use just a tiny bit. But if you want to use a full amount, you sure can. After mixing everything together, I can't speak. After mixing everything together, I added some Greek yogurt to the mixture. And the moment we've all been waiting for, the star of the show, blueberries. So we're going to add a cup of blueberries to the mixture and we're going to whisk softly. We don't want to whisk too hard and crush the blueberries prematurely, so we're just going to fold it in and make sure it's well entwined with the mixture. I decided to use some vegetable oil on the muffin pan just so that the muffins don't stick when they're done cooking. So I'm just going to spread it on there really nicely, and then I'm going to put the mixture in. I'm going to try my best to, distribute them evenly, but it's not a big deal if you don't. So these go in the oven for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes, depending on the size. And voila, look what we have here. Aren't they so pretty? Oh man, I'm so excited to eat these. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope yours come out just as good or even better. Thanks for watching.